We live in an age of unparalleled convenience. The digital revolution has transformed our daily lives in ways we could have never imagined just a few decades ago. With a few taps on our phones, we can order food, book a ride, or even schedule a doctor's appointment. The possibilities are endless. We can buy practically anything imaginable, from the latest gadgets to everyday essentials, all from the comfort of our homes. This ease extends to payments, where the days of fumbling for cash or writing checks are fading fast. Contactless payments and digital wallets have become the norm. Online payment systems have revolutionized the way we transact, making it possible to complete purchases in mere seconds. It's remarkably simple to make purchases from the comfort of our homes or on the go, whether we're commuting to work or relaxing on the couch. But have you ever stopped to wonder about the intricate dance of technology and financial institutions that occurs behind the scenes every time you hit that Pay Now button? It's a marvel of modern engineering. It's a testament to the ingenuity of these systems that the complexity remains hidden from the user. Behind the scenes, a network of servers and algorithms work tirelessly to ensure your transaction is processed smoothly. We see only a smooth, almost effortless process. The user experience is designed to be as seamless as possible, making it easy for anyone to use. But beneath this veneer of simplicity lies a sophisticated ecosystem of interconnected players, including banks, payment processors, and technology providers. Each player has a crucial role in ensuring that your money moves securely and efficiently from your account to the merchants. This intricate system is what makes modern payments so effortless and reliable. Imagine buying a new book online. You find the perfect title, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. You add it to your cart, enter your payment details, and click buy. Simple, right? But what happens next is far from simple. What seems like a single action actually sets off a chain reaction involving multiple parties working in concert. This behind-the-scenes process is both fascinating and complex. This intricate process can be broken down into several key steps, each one crucial for the successful completion of your purchase. Each step is facilitated by a different player in the online payment ecosystem, from the moment you click buy to the final confirmation. First, your payment information needs to be captured and securely transmitted. This is a critical step to ensure your data remains safe. This is where payment gateways come into play. They act as the online equivalent of physical point-of-sale terminals. These gateways serve as the entry point for your payment details, ensuring they are correctly captured and forwarded. Next, the payment processor steps in. Think of them as the messengers, whisking your encrypted payment information away to the card networks. These card networks, like Visa or MasterCard, are responsible for verifying the transaction. They check if the card details are valid and if there are sufficient funds. Once the card network verifies the transaction, it sends the approval back to the payment processor. The payment processor then communicates this approval to your bank, which gives the final nod. Once the transaction is approved by your bank, the funds are moved by the acquiring bank to the merchant's account. This ensures the seller gets paid. It's a carefully choreographed dance, happening in a matter of seconds, involving multiple entities working seamlessly together, all while you eagerly await that confirmation message, signaling that your purchase was successful. This entire process, though complex, is designed to be quick and secure, ensuring a smooth shopping experience for you. In the physical world, a cashier uses a point-of-sale terminal to process your card payment. You hand over your card, they swipe or insert it, and the transaction is completed within seconds. This process is straightforward and familiar to most of us. In the digital realm, that role is fulfilled by payment gateways. These gateways act as the virtual cashiers of the internet, handling the complex process of online transactions seamlessly. They are the digital equivalent of those ubiquitous card readers, but with added layers of security and functionality to handle the intricacies of online payments. Providing a secure link between your payment information and the rest of the online payment ecosystem, payment gateways ensure that your sensitive data is protected at all times. When you enter your card details on a merchant's website or app, the payment gateway springs into action. It captures the data and prepares it for secure transmission. The payment gateway encrypts that sensitive data, transforming it into a secure code that can only be deciphered by authorized parties. This encryption ensures it remains hidden from prying eyes as it traverses the internet, safeguarding your financial information from potential threats. This encrypted information is then passed on to the payment processor, which acts like a sealed envelope handed off for delivery, ensuring the data reaches its destination securely. The payment processor then communicates with your bank to authorize the transaction, verifying that the funds are available and that the transaction is legitimate. Popular examples of payment gateways include PayPal, which has become a household name for online payments; Stripe, known for its developer-friendly tools and seamless integration with various platforms; and Adyen, which powers payments for many of the world's leading companies. These companies have become synonymous with online transactions, their logos a familiar sight at online checkouts worldwide. They provide a crucial service, ensuring that your online shopping experience is smooth and secure. Acting as the first line of defense against fraud, these gateways employ advanced security measures to detect and prevent fraudulent activities. They ensure the secure transmission of your financial data, giving you peace of mind every time you make an online purchase. In essence, payment gateways are the unsung heroes of the digital economy, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your transactions safe and efficient. Once the payment gateway has securely packaged your payment information, it's time for the payment processor to take over. These unsung heroes of the online payment world act as intermediaries, shuttling transaction data between merchants, payment gateways, card networks, and banks. They act as the invisible glue holding the entire system together, ensuring that data flows smoothly and securely between all parties. Without them, the online payment system would grind to a halt, like an orchestra without a conductor. Examples of major payment processors include companies like WorldPay, Fiserv, and Global Payments. These companies operate largely behind the scenes, their names rarely seen by consumers. Yet their role is crucial, ensuring that every online transaction is completed swiftly and securely. Section 5. Acquiring banks, where the money lands. Every merchant that accepts online payments needs an acquiring bank. This financial institution acts as the merchant's representative in the online payment process, receiving funds from the cardholder's issuing bank and depositing them into the merchant's account. Think of the acquiring bank as the merchant's financial gateway, handling the crucial task of receiving and processing payments on their behalf. They play a critical role in facilitating the smooth flow of funds in the online marketplace. The acquiring bank assumes a certain level of risk, as they are responsible for fraudulent transactions or chargebacks. To mitigate this risk, they carefully vet merchants before onboarding them and may impose certain fees and transaction limits. Section 6. Card networks, the global connectors. Visa, MasterCard, American Express. These names are synonymous with electronic payments. These card networks act as the bridge between the acquiring bank and the issuing bank, facilitating communication and ensuring the transfer of funds. They are the architects of the global payment infrastructure, setting the rules and standards that govern how electronic transactions are processed. Their logos on your credit or debit cards signify their crucial role in enabling you to make purchases both online and offline. When you make an online purchase, the card network receives the transaction information from the processor, verifies the card details with the issuing bank, and authorizes or declines the transaction. It's a lightning-fast process, often happening in a matter of seconds, allowing for near instantaneous confirmation of your purchase. Section 7. Tokenization, shielding your precious card details. In an era of increasing data breaches, security is paramount. Tokenization has emerged as a vital technology for safeguarding sensitive card information during online transactions. It adds an extra layer of protection, making it much harder for fraudsters to steal your card details. Instead of transmitting your actual card number, tokenization replaces it with a unique, randomly generated token. This token, useless to anyone without the means to decrypt it, is then used to process the transaction. Even if a hacker were to intercept the token, it would be of little use to them, as it cannot be reversed to reveal your actual card number. This makes tokenization a powerful tool in the fight against online fraud, adding an extra layer of security to your digital transactions. Section 8. A trio of payment options, credit cards, digital wallets, and BNPL. The world of online payments offers a buffet of options, each catering to different needs and preferences. Credit cards, digital wallets, and buy now pay later schemes represent the most popular choices, each with their own set of advantages and considerations. Credit cards, the veterans of the payment world, offer the allure of buy now, pay later with the added benefit of reward points and cashback incentives. Digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay provide a seamless and contactless payment experience, storing your card details securely and allowing you to make payments with a simple tap of your phone. BNPL services like Klarna and Afterpay have exploded in popularity, allowing customers to split their purchases into smaller, interest-free installments. This try-before-you-buy approach appeals to budget-conscious shoppers, particularly for larger purchases. Section 9. Safeguarding the system chargebacks and fraud prevention. While online payment systems are designed with security in mind, bad actors are always looking for ways to exploit vulnerabilities. Chargebacks and fraud prevention mechanisms play a vital role in maintaining the integrity and trust in the system. Chargebacks provide a safety net for consumers, allowing them to dispute a transaction and potentially receive a refund if goods are not received, are damaged, or if unauthorized transactions occur. This mechanism protects consumers from unscrupulous merchants and fraudulent activities. Fraud prevention tools, like fraud detection algorithms and two-factor authentication, add an extra layer of security. These systems constantly analyze transactions for suspicious activity, flagging potentially fraudulent transactions and preventing them from being processed.